Going out here, Shabazz?
Man, we shooting a motherfucking video, man, you know what I'm saying? Shabazz, nigga. Featuring my favorite rapper, man, Big Don, Bino, you know what I'm saying?
What's good, Big Don?
Yeah, what's happening?
Shit ain't about nothing. Shit that you niggas can't do. Shit that you
Shit you niggas ain't doing, you hear me?
Yeah,
working for them, you hear me?
Right here behind the scenes and shit. Looking sweet.
Boy.
Got the cameras rolling.
5, 6, 7, 11
You ain't got no way.
Okay then. Okay then.
Man, we setting up, Got the bikes out and shit.
Pockets collected, asking again. Your little hoe keep calling me, she want me to pay her rent again. They ain't scored the first time, you know they bout to spin again. Decoy, niggas pulled up in a rental minivan. Niggas ain't even get no money, they try to play the middleman.
Yeah, man, this ain't that little flimsy shit. When you see niggas wearing Cubans and shit like that, and they be moving, that motherfucker be. That shit light. 500 grams, nigga. Fuck is you talking about? You gotta get your money up, not your funny up, crazy man.
You know what the fuck going on.
Niggas don't respect that boy, they'll fuck around and sell them soup. Like it was the 80s, niggas that pack it up and sell some dope. Bro caught a body, he wasn't even old enough to vote. I was only 12, I had a gun and I know how to tote. All I knew was one shot out this bitch and make a nigga croak. Oh, bitch want me hit her from the side, like she had a stroke. Make her time, hit it in a ride, then I gotta go.
Me a little man connected with the sagas, you a monkey in the middle, man. That nigga need to hit him with a hazard. Nigga on their ass, they trying to drag. He ain't having nothing. I'm dropping isotone on them bricks. I'm trying to stress them out. I'm burning up them tires. I know Michelin, I'm road running. Took a 5-hour drive. I'ma leave it like I stole something. Pay a granny for these perks. I get them from my old one. Got a chopper and the Bluetooth. Me and Cuz sit on the book. Yeah, anything try hit this spot, they gon' abort this bitch a fork. Yeah, I been fucking with the folk, but the snow bought me a push down, nigga.
They little pockets collected, asking again. Your little hoe keep calling me, she want me to pay her rent again. They ain't scored the first time, you know they bout to spin again. Decoy, niggas pulled up in a rental minivan.
A big boy, if your shit sit high, then your ceiling has your big dog. I don't even see him, he a little man. Connected with the sagas, you a monkey in the middle, man. Damn, nigga need to hit him with a hazard. Nigga on their ass, they trying to drag. He ain't having nothing, I'm dropping isotone on them bricks. I'm trying to stress them out. I'm burning up them tires, I know Michelin, I'm road running. Took a 5-hour drive, I'ma leave it like I stole something. Pay a granny for these perks, I get them from my old one. Got a chopper and the Bluetooth, me and Cuz sit on the porch. Yeah, anything try hit this spot, they gon' abort this bitch a fork. Yeah, I been fucking with the fork, but the snow bought me a push down, nigga.
All those hands, I done crashed again. I could take a hoe down in the Maybach Benz. I feel like the president, it ain't even no 10. Niggas hate, they little pockets collected, asking again. Your little hoe keep calling me, she want me to pay her rent again. They ain't scored the first time, you know they bout to spin again. Decoy, niggas pulled up in a rental minivan. Niggas pulled up in the
We need y'all doing tricks and shit, bro.
strokes. Ain't got time, hit it in a ride, then I gotta go. All them Zans, I done crashed again. So I gotta take down in the Maybach Benz. I feel like the president, it ain't even no 10. Cause hating, they little pockets collecting that win again. Yo, lil' hoe keep calling me, she want me to pay her rent again. They ain't scored the first time, you know they bout to spin again. Decoy, niggas pulled up in the rim, minivan.
Big dog, I don't even see him, he a little man. Connected with the sagas, you a monkey in the middle, man. Damn, nigga need to hit him with a half or something. Nigga on they ass, they tryna drag. He ain't having none. I'm dropping isotol on the bricks, I'm trying to stress them on it. I'm burning up them tires, I know Michelin, I'm road running. Took a 5-hour drive, I'ma leave here like I stole something. Pay your granny for these perks, I get them from my old one. Got a chopper and a blowtorch, me and Cuz sit on the porch. Yeah, anything try hit this spot, they gon' report this bitch a fool. With the snoop, put me a pigs down, nigga.
Niggas eat ice cream, man. Big gangsta ass niggas and shit, man. Look at them. Look at these niggas, man. Yeah, big thug ass niggas. Yeah, sweet too. Sweet as shit, right?
Delicioso, yeah. Niggas taking a little break and shit. Ice cream truck break.
Little ice cream break.
You want some ice cream, Mom? Tell the camera lady not buy whatever she wants.
You don't want that?
Buy you whatever you want, Snake. Come on. That ain't none of y'all girl, this. Oh, alright.
What do you see it on the computer? How you gonna make sure it's on?
Niggas ain't even get no money. They try to play the little man. Like I was a coach, I could send a blitz. I like this little bitch for her coach. She like wearing coach. Water diamonds, this shit. I had a plug, he be selling things. Niggas don't respect that boy. They fuck around and selling something. Like it was the 80s. Niggas will pack it up and sell some dope. No work on a body. Holding up the boat, I was only 12. I had a gun, but I ain't know how to tote. All I knew was my shot out this bitch and make a nigga croak. Hit it from the side, like she had a stroke. Ain't got time, get it in the ride, and I gotta go. Sometimes I got crashed again. Started to go down in the Maybach Benz. I feel like the president. Pockets collected magazine again. Yo, lil' hoe keep calling me, she want me to pay her rent again. They ain't scored the first time, you know they bout to spin again. Decoy, niggas put up in the rim,
If some shit sit high, then you'll see me. That's your big dog. I don't even see him, he a little man. Connected with the sagas, you a monkey in the middle, man. Damn, nigga need to hit him with a half or something. Nigga on they ass, they tryna drag. He ain't having none. I'm dropping isotol on the bricks, I'm trying to stress them on it. I'm burning up them tires, I know Michelin, I'm rolling. Took a 5-hour drive, I'ma leave it like I stole something. Pay your granny For these perks, I get them from my old one. Got the chopper and the blow torch me, cause it on the book. Yeah, anything I hit the spot, they gon' report this bitch a fork. I been fucking with the folk, but the snow brought me a Porsche down, nigga. Off them Zans, I been crashed again. About to take a hoe down in the Maybach Benz. I feel like the president ain't even.
Yeah, side by side rap to each other.
Nigga pockets collected max in again. Little hoe keep calling me, she want me pay her rent again. They ain't scored the first time, you know they bout to spin again. Decoy, niggas pulled up in a random minivan.
With the minivan right there.
Niggas pulled up in a random minivan.